Yeah, man, I don't know, say artist this, you see me? And so right now,
when she heard that
the government of Jamaica for honor bounty killer. Want them to give bounty killer national hero status. If it's not now, it's when everything said and done. You understand? Because bounty killer defend the thing to the maximum. You see me? Yeah, man. Bounty killer defend the thing. Bounty killer are one of them arts that can command the people them. And the people them listen. You understand? Yes, man. So, and bounty killer do a lot for the country too. So, the government them recognize Mr. Rodney Price. You understand? As a national hero when this all said and done. You saw me there? Yes, man. Bounty killer help enough youth. Wally for people. Bounty killer help out. You see me? Lot of things bounty killer do. The people them listen to bounty killer. So you can't deny him status. You understand? When a man great, you can't deny that. The people them listen to him because I remember at one point when I be a pink take over Jamaica. And bounty killer forward and say, yo, me I go no 1 week to get rid of every pink. And within a week, all pink sink. You understand? So we I say, yo, we want the government to recognize bounty and give him status. You see me? Yeah, man. Right there, so. You see me? Yeah. You don't know, say artist this one. You don't know. I roll through. In the bush here we there, in the jungle, you see me? I go through, you see me? Yeah, man. Some of this side say, yo, we have to talk about certain matters, you know? Certain thing where it's necessary. You understand? So, that we are do right now, you know? Yeah, man. As we are say, we want them to honor Mr. Rodney Price. See him? Right there, so. See him? More blessing. Yeah, man, as me I say, me never really dip my hand in an ink yet, you know? Never even take up census on them thing because I'm not really into them thing. You understand? And that's something but I believe in, really. You understand? But through the years, I see them honor some great man, you know? So, we as a boy, would I love the General Bounty to get him honor. You see me? Right there, so. See him? Yeah, man, I don't know, say artist this man. Touching out.